Halo, saya Peiter Tanjung. Saya dari mahasiswa IB Kwikiangi. NIM saya adalah 50190505. Saya adalah mahasiswa Teknik Informasi. Hari ini saya akan menjelaskan apa itu use story. Use story dimulai dari use case. Use case an activity that the system perform, usually in the response to request by user. Use case define functional requirement. Analysis decomposes the system into a set of use case. Two techniques for identify use case. 1. User goal technique. 2. Event decomposition technique. And I will explain the user goal technique first. Okay. The technique is most common in industry. Simple and effective. Identify all the potential categories of user of the system. Interview and ask them to describe the text the computer can help them with. And prompt feature to refine the text into the specific user goal, like I need to ship items, track a statement, and create a return, like that. And user goal technique. User have a tree, and user goal technique use case have a tree too. And I will explain the user first. User. Potential customer, manager, marketing manager, shipping and personnel. And user goal and resulting use case, they search for item, filling shopping cart, view product rating and comments. And for the marketing manager, in user goal, add or update product information and update promotion, like product sales history report. And shipping personnel, ship items, track the shipment, create the item return. And now, user goal technique have a specific step. They have 8 steps. 1. Identify all the potential users for the new system. Classify the potential users that term their functional. Filter classify potential user by organization. For each type of user, interview them to find a list of the specific goals they will have them when using the new system, like current goal and identify function to add value. And 5. Create a list preliminary use case organized by type of user. Look for duplicate with similar use case names and resolve inconsistencies. 7. Identify where different type of user need the same use case. 8. Review the completed list with each type of the user and then with interest stakeholder. Okay. I will explain the event decomposition technique. More comprehensive and complete technique. Identify the event that occurs with which the system must respond. For each event, name a use case that describe what the system does when the event occurs. Event is something that occurs at specific time and place, can be described and should be remembered by system. Okay, I will next type of system. Type of system have a three: external, temporal, event, and state event. External, an event that occurs out the system. Usually it by an external agent or actor. Temporal event, an event that occurs as a result of reaching a point in time. State event, an event that occurs when something happens inside the system that triggers some process. Reorder point is reached for inventory item. Okay. External event checklist. External agent or actor when something results in traction, a customer buy a product, like a customer buy a product, yeah. External agent or actor wants some information. It's like customer want to know the product details, yeah. And external data changed and need to be updated, yeah. The customer will has a new address and phone, and management wants some information. Sales manager want update on product plans. What will product plans like? What product plans? What we going out the new product for the blah 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 like that. Okay, this is temporal. Now in temporal event checklist have a two: internal and external. One I will explain the internal. Internal output needs at a point in time. Management reports, summary or expansion. Operational reports like a detailed transaction, internal statement and document, yeah, like including payroll. Okay, I will explain the external. External output need a point of time, like statements, status report, bills, and reminder. Okay, I will. Even the composition technique set have a 7 step. 1. Consider the external event in the system infrared that require response that system by using checklist shown in figure 3 and 3. For its external event, identify and name the use case that system require. 3. Consider the temporal event that require a response for the system by using checklist shown in figure 3 and 4. For its temporal event, identify and name this use case the system requires. Establish this point type will trigger it at that use case. Consider the state event that system might respond to, particular if it real-time system in which device all of the internal state change trigger use case. 6. For its state event, identify and name that use case that the system require, then define the state change. 7. Even the use case are defined, check to see if the required by using the perfect technology assumption do not include even that involve system control as login, logout, change password, and backup or restore their database as they are put in later. Okay, this is the last even decomposition technique benefit. What's the benefit if we use decomposition technique? 1. Even a border that use goal like capture temporal and state event have decomposition real right level analysis EBP elementary business process. EBP is for fundamental business process performed by one person in one place in response to business event. Use perfect technology assumption to make sure function that support the user work in unified and not additional function for security system and control. So this is the end of your story. Thank you for listening.